welcome back to my channel. I am Tian Barbara, and this is our 4th day in Lasal at Islet Shop. So let's go.
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment.
Hello guys, I am now walking to NSC.
And in this moment, life is like a dream.
Hi, I am at DLSU na. Then ito yung pwesto namin. Then ngayon magpe-prepare na lang ako sa setup namin and yung mga kailangan pa for this day. Someone is hiding. So this is our morning visitor for today. Hi! Hi baby! Say hi to the camera. Hello!
I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, come a little closer. Too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer.
This is my first work today. It's a necklace. May pasaway na pusa. Hello. What are you doing there? Ginawa ko lang. Yeah. Ay.
And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me.
We will customize a necklace. There's CEO. Yan. So, lalagay natin siya dito. Photo Rich. Photo Rich Manifesting. Kasi pag punipian. So, pagkalagay natin, tsaka natin siya sasara gamit itong isa. So, ayan, diba? Kasara lang natin siya. Yan. stuck na kasi.
How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
Yan guys, I'm done with the bracelet. Day 4 done. Tapos na kami mag-prep. Then, ayan, uwian na. Today is our last day. Yeah!
It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment.
Happy Valentine's! So, today is February 14. This is our last day at DLS. So, let's go! Yan, bumili ako ng flower, guys. For Ate Amor. Is I bought myself a flower. This is my favorite lily. Ayan, ang cute niya. Happy Valentine's! Thank you! Wow! Yan, may free ako na bracelet tsaka necklace. Thank you, Isla! Kasi it's Valentine's! Ayan, nakapag-design na ako. Our customer for today is order ko! Sa'yo yung sunflower. Thank you! I love you! Mwah. Sakto pa! Chili ba tayo perfume? Perfume pa rin. So, this is the before. So, tapos ko na siya gawin. Very pretty. This is what I got in Valentine's. Hi guys, so ayan, magpo-customize na ako necklace. So, ito yung napili ko. Paper rings. Ay, ano ba? Paper lips. Siya. For my necklace. Then, pinustomize ko na rin siya sa haba. So, ang napili kong gift na is Evil Eye siya na color red. Because red is my favorite color. And gusto kong magkaroon ng accessories na may evil eye.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. from the ocean.
So this is how it looks like. Sa gitna ko siya nilagay. Then, may dalawa lang akong ilalagay dito. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung file naman. Okay, so maglalagay tayo ng letter dito. Letter petal. Ayan guys, okay na. Nalagyan ko siya ng letter. Closing na kami and ayan, nag-aayos na kami ng mga gamit. Ito saan ko? Diyan din. Open mo yung luggage. Doon yan lalagay. Pink na ano? Ito? I think, ito na lang para sa hello, tapos na kami mag-prepare. Tapos nag-dinner na lang kami. So, today is our last day sa DLS. And,
Miss ako ni Pian.
yeah! Ano yung tanong mo kanina?
Ano yung nahirapan ka sa book?
Kung overall, wala naman. Kasi nag-enjoy naman ako sa pagsisales. Tapos, yun. Siguro nahirapan ako pag may bago natutunan, lalo na sa paggawa. Pero pag tumatagal, naaral ko naman siya.
Hindi ako memorable experience.
Sabi na may next na memorable. Siguro yung sa ano, pag kunyari may mga gumagawa, tapos pinopost nila, or kaya. Pero yung siguro yung nakita ako, yung sa apat na magkaibigan, tapos gumawa sila ng ano, ng matchy-matchy, tapos core memory daw. Wala lang, nakakatuwa. Lalo na kapag yung kunyari sabi na may bibigay na sa ganito. Yung kumbaga parang nagiging part tayo ng storya nila. Parang gano'n. Wow. Showbiz.
A brand of every moment. What is that? May Miss Pian yung mga tanawin dito.
Oo, ang ganda ng tanawin dito. Araw-araw. Hi guys, I'm doing my ina-edit ko lang siya dahil maluwag. Yay! Thank you so much, Islet. Ayun guys, natutuwa ako sa 6 days ko with Islet and sana mas marami pa. Ang saya lang dahil nagagawa ko yung gusto ko while kumikita na. And ayun, I hope na mas marami pang event ako with Islet. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you so much, Ate Amor and Islet Shop. Mommy! My gift for